Hello friends, welcome back to my channel AB Ambition. Today we are going to discuss about Indian Polity and Constitution MCQ Part 2 for all competitive exams and government jobs. So, पिछले वीडियो पे हम पार्ट 1 पर डिस्कस किया था, आज हम पार्ट 2 पर डिस्कस करेंगे. So, let's get started. Question number 1. In which case the Supreme Court ruled that the Parliament cannot amend the basic features of the Constitution of India? Options are Minerva Mills case, B. Goloknath case, C. Keshavananda Bharati case, D. LIC of India case. Answer is C. Keshavananda Bharati case. Question number 2. Which of the following describe the British system of government as prime ministerial government? Options are K.M. Munshi, B. Jennings, C. Mackintosh, D. None of the above. Answer is C. Mackintosh. Question number 3. Who appoints the Attorney General of India? Options are the Parliament, B. the President, C. the Prime Minister, D. the Council of Ministers. Answer is B. the President. Question number 4. Administers oath the Prime Minister of India. Options are A. Chief Justice of India, B. President, C. A judge of Supreme Court, D. the Speaker. Answer is B. President. You can see the options. So, question number 5. Which constitutional amendment stated that a member of either House of Parliament who is disqualified on the ground of defection shall also be disqualified to be appointed as a minister? Options are A. 91st Amendment Act, 92nd Amendment Act, C. 93rd Amendment Act, D. 94th Amendment Act. Answer is A. 91st Amendment Act. Question number 6. What happens if the Lok Sabha passes a no confidence motion against the Council of Ministers? Options are A. Only ministers from Lok Sabha resign, B. Only ministers from Rajya Sabha resign, C. All the ministers have to resign, D. None of the above. Answer is C. All the ministers have to resign. Question number 7. How many members of the Rajya Sabha are nominated by the President? Options are A. 25, B. 16, C. 12, D. 18. Answer is C. Answer is C. 12. Question number 8. Which of the following is not a source from which the Speaker of the Lok Sabha derives its powers and duties? Options are A. Constitution of India, B. President of India, C. Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business of Lok Sabha, D. Parliamentary Conventions. Answer is B. President of India. Question number 9. The 22nd Amendment Act 1969 facilitated the creation of a new autonomous state of Meghalaya from which state? Options are A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Nagaland, C. Assam, D. Manipur. Answer is C. Assam. Question number 10. Which amendment bifurcated the erstwhile Combined National Commission for Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes into two separate bodies? Options are A. 89th Amendment Act 2003, B. 91st Amendment Act 2003, C. 96th Amendment Act 2011, D. 99th Amendment Act 2014. Which A. 89th Amendment Act 2003. The Hind names Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha were adopted by the Council of States and the House of People respectively. Options are A. 1915, B. 1952, C. 1954, D. 1956. Answer is C. Answer is C. 1954. Question number 12. What was the original strength of Supreme Court of India? Options are A. 8, B. 12, C. 15, D. 20. Answer is A. 8. One Chief Justice and 7 other judges. 8 under 8. Question number 13. To whom the judge of the Supreme Court submit his resignation? Options are Prime Minister, B. Supreme Court of India, C. Parliament, D. President. Answer is D. President. Question number 14. In which year the Supreme Court adopted the collegium system for the appointment of judges of Supreme Court of India? Options are A. 1993, B. 1997, C. 2001, D. 2005. Answer is A. 1993. Question number 15. What is the minimum number of judges of the Supreme Court required for hearing any case involving interpretation of the constitutions? A. 10, B. 8, C. 7, D. 5. Answer is D. 5. The judge of a state high court. Options are A. President, B. Prime Minister, C. Governor, D. President in consultation with the Chief Justice of India and the Governor of the state. Answer is D. President in consultation with the Chief Justice of India and the Governor of the state. Question number 17. Who administers oath to a person appointed as a judge of the Supreme Court? Options are A. Prime Minister, B. President, C. Chief Justice of India, D. Vice President. Answer is B. President. Question number 18. Who can make laws on any matter in the state list for implementing the international treaties, agreements or conventions? Options are A. The Parliament, B. the Council of Ministers, C. the Prime Minister, D. the Vice President. Answer is A. the Parliament. Question number 19. Who is the common chairman of the 5 journal councils? Options are A. Union Home Minister, B. Prime Minister, C. President, D. Governor. Answer is A. Union Home Minister. Question number 20. Under which article the 6 fundamental rights under Article 19 are automatically suspended during national emergency? Options are A. Article 356, B. Article 357, C. Article 358, D. Article 359. Answer is C. Article 358. So it is the last question of this part. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel AB Ambition.